Hey stampers and planners, it is Madeline from the WonderlandStamper.com. I just wanted to give a little bit of an update. I've been kind of MIA the last week and I wanted to let you all know why. I'm graduating with my master's in school media library science. I am walking the stage this Saturday. I'm so excited. But what's happening is I am trying or in the process of getting my teacher certification. So it is crazy for any of you that have done that with the EdTPA and certification tests, and it's been madness. So thank goodness for my family. They've really helped me a lot. It's a stressful time. So unfortunately, my stamping and my planning, decorations, and my videos, everything that is my therapy to get me through the stressful times, it's having to be put on hold right now because obviously my job and my livelihood is so important. I need to finish my master's. My class will be done the last week in June. I'll be certified as a teacher at the end of June, beginning of July. I am obviously going to be doing my paper pumpkin videos and as many videos as I can, but I just wanted you all to know that I'm not stopping my videos. I am going to continue doing my videos. It's just going to be a little sporadic, just for the next few weeks. So just for another week or two, it's going to be a little bit sporadic just because I'm finishing up finally my EdTPA that I've been working on for months, it feels like. Videos, I just want you all to know that I am here. I am sad that I'm not stamping as much. I'm sad that I'm not doing as many videos. But as soon as the summer comes, I'll be stamping and doing events and posting on social media. And getting back to normal. I've been able to do everything. This whole master's program, I've been able to do the videos and able to do stamping and able to do social media. But just this crunch time right now, it's just not possible. I need to be able to focus on getting these certification check boxes done. And getting my last class finished and really focusing to get through this master's, the last segment of it. So I just wanted to update you all. I'm so sorry that I'm not going to be doing my Thursday, Saturday, Sunday consistent videos, but don't give up on me. I will be going back to that as soon as I can, but as soon as that paper pumpkin comes, I'm definitely doing a video, still doing the giveaway. I really appreciate everyone's support, and I just wanted you all to know that I'm okay, and that I'm just, working hard to become a school librarian, and I'm so excited to be certified and ready to work with students and get back to my stamping biz and share with all of you the goodies that I make up here in the Wonderland craft room. So where in the world is the Wonderland Stamper? I am right here. I am just so busy finishing up this teacher certification and my master's. So please reach out to me if you have any questions at all, if you need any help with ordering or a project you're working on. I'd love to hear from you. It'll give me a little bit of a break from the work that I'm doing. As soon as I come home from student teaching, I'm working on my schoolwork and this certification. So any distraction is very exciting for me from that. So thank you again for all of your support. I miss all of your comments on my videos because I haven't done any this week. But I hope you are all doing well and having lots of stamping fun. So I will be back soon, and I just really appreciate everyone. All right, have a great night and a good rest of your week. The weekend is almost here, and for now, keep stamping, stampers. Bye.